Hey, I want to show you a quick demo of your private AI copywriter. As a client of the Messaging Lab, you get unlimited access to this copywriter that is not available anywhere else and is trained exactly on all of my client work that has been the most successful over the last 14 years. So just to give you kind of a quick idea of what some of the things it's trained on: emails, welcome emails, nurture, story, teaching, sales, announcements, so on. Full sequences: the welcome, pre-launch, launch, cart close, and abandon cart are some of the most popular that I write for clients. Social media, meta ads, long form content, video script, sales pages, landing pages, website copy, and so on. So let's just get right into it, and let me show you how easy it is to use and just kind of give you an example of the copy. So you will have your own account, but so the first time you sign in, you'll walk through that process. But I'm already signed in here, so I'm just going to name this demo. I'm going to paste my messaging voice and tone guide. This is something that you can write yourself, or if you're an annual client, then I will write that for you and build it out for you. And it really is the fuel. Like I've trained this AI on everything that is going to be what you would need for your business, but it's not going to sound like you or be helpful unless you give it what it needs. Just like if we were doing a strategy call and you came with nothing, I could infer some things, but it would not be helpful. So that's a really important document. And if you get an opportunity to be an annual member, then definitely take that so that I can write that for you, and that everything else works better. But I want to go back to this page real quick and show you that there's a guide. I already went through some of the things, some of the topics. There's 5 pages of exactly what is coded to. Sometimes you just don't even know what you need. What do you need? So a reel, I know people say I should post a reel. What do I need for that? Well, let's say you need a 30-second reel script about whatever topic using whatever kind of format, So this just helps give you ideas of the things that are most important that I work with clients. So let's just say write a welcome email for my new subscriber list. So I'm going to put that in here. And tell it to go ahead, and it's going to generate that, or it's going to ask the same questions that I would ask you. So if my messaging voice and tone guide did not cover enough information, then it will ask it. I've programmed it to ask the same questions that I would ask, get the same information that I would get, so that we write it in the way that I would write it. So just be aware of that. If it asks you questions, it's important. So here we have a subject line. This is for the part of you that's tired of performing. You didn't join this list because you needed more tips. You joined because something about the way you're talking about your work isn't working. You sit down to write, and so on and so forth. And it continues on in the way that I have told it to. It has a PS, just like I've trained it to. And the thing is with this, it's super simple. Now you just click copy text. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to put it in your G Drive folder that you'll have access to, or your own G Drive folder. And then you send it to me. And that is, less than a 3-minute process for you. It's super simple. But you just go through these few questions so that you can send it over to me. Because even though it is trained on all of the methodology that I have used and do use for clients over the last 14 years, and even though it is given the information that hopefully I've written for you in your messaging voice and tone guide, it's still going to get you to like 70, maybe 80%. And the rest of it is that human touch and just the years in the industry. And so I'm going to handle that for you. And then I'm going to send it to you within 72 hours. So it's super simple. That's it. It's literally your copy handled. And yeah, it's just really simple. I hope you love it. I know it'll be just a complete game changer to move things along for you, and I'm excited to be part of that.